Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Rishi, and this is the 9th episode of Mental Math Tricks. This video, we are going to take a look at how to calculate the day of any date of the week, like for any year. So this video will be broken down into two parts. In this video, which is the first part, we are going to take a look at the parts you have to memorize, and in the next part, we are going to take a look at how to do the actual calculation. So this video might be relatively shorter than the other videos, but no worries, the second part will drop very soon and you will learn how to calculate the entirety of this calculation. Without any further ado, let's begin. So, for the calendar trick, there are three things you have to keep in mind in order to calculate it. Firstly, you need the date code. The date code is nothing fancy. So for date code, what we do is we take a random date, for example, 27. And then 27 divided by 7, you'll get the answer of 3. But we don't want the answer, we want the remainder. So the remainder here is 6. So the date code for the number 27 is 6. As simple as that. Divide any number by 7, neglect the answer, just take the remainder. And then you need two more information. First one is month code and year code. The year code will be covered in the next video. In this video, we're going to take a look at the month code. So for the month code, we have 12 months. And for this part, you just have to memorize, because we do not have a reason for why these are the month codes. It's just that it works every single time. Of course, there is a reason, but if we go too much in depth, it will get too overwhelming. So let's just stick with memorizing the codes. So January is 0, February is 3, March is 3, April is 6, May is 1, June is 4, July is 6, August is 2, September is 5, October is 0, November is 3, and finally December is 5. So that's all for the month code, the 12 months. Then after the month code, we have one more thing. This is kind of the last thing you have to know, but I'm going to give it here because it's much easier to understand. For the days, we have a code as well. The number 0 actually means Sunday, and the number 1 is Monday, 2 is Tuesday, 3 is Wednesday, 4 is Thursday, 5 is Friday, and 6 is Saturday. And Sunday back again, we go to 0. And this is important because after you add up the date code, month code, and year code, and you do the same thing again, you divide everything by 7, and then you get the remainder. So the remainder shows you what day it is. So if the remainder is any of these days, 0 to 6, you will be able to find out what the day actually refers to. Now, that's all for this part of the video. What we are going to do in the next video is we are going to learn how to incorporate all of these codes in a coherent manner to get the day of any dates across the years. So that's all for this video. As usual, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.